Getting yourself to the gym is half the battle. The other half is making your time there count. Regular exercise is one of the best things you can do for your health. It strengthens your muscles and bones, improve cardiovascular health, reduce stress, and promote better sleep, among other things. However, as frustrating as it might be to hear, simply sweating it out in the gym isn't enough. In order to gather all the health benefit of exercise, it's important that you do it right. So today we are going to talk about the 10 most common workout mistakes that might be affecting your fitness goals. Whether you are doing cardio or strength training, including a warm-up before your workout and cool down after your workout is very important. We know it can feel pretty boring, but this will help you to get your body prepared to do and recover from the workout and help you to avoid injury in the long run. This is one of the biggest issues in gym. People are doing their exercise with bad techniques which leads to increased risk of injury, long-term discomfort and pain. Seek out some help and learn proper training technique if you think your form and technique is not right. In strength training, resting between sets is a necessity when it comes to getting an effective workout and also avoiding injury. However, taking too long to rest and recover between sets can make it difficult for your progress. If your heart rate lowers to a point where your muscles cool down too much, this could cause strain or tear in your muscles. As a rule of thumb, if you are doing less than 6 to 8 heavy reps, aim to rest between 2 to 3 minutes in between your sets. If you are doing more than 8 to 10 reps, then aim to rest anywhere between 30 to 90 seconds in between your sets. Being dehydrated can dramatically decrease your performance. When you exercise, your core temperature rises above normal, which places stress on your body. Proper hydration helps lubricate your joints and reduce inflammation. In addition, fluid also help transport essential energy nutrients, which in turn will make your workout more effective and flush out metabolic waste that is produced during an intense workout. At school, at work, or in pretty much any other area of life, the best thing to do if you are unsure of how to do something is to ask someone. The gym shouldn't be any different. And with fully qualified personal trainers at your gym, there couldn't be anyone better suited to answer your questions. Asking the questions is always the best policy. Another point which deserves its own video. It's crucial to breathe properly while doing strength training. Not only does proper breathing support the exercise and allows you to lift more with better control, but not breathing can lead to hernia. Luckily, there is a simple technique. Let's use a bicep curl as an example. Exhale as you raise the weight to curl, then inhale as you are lowering. For push-ups, inhale as you lower to the floor and exhale while you press yourself up. If you are finding this video informative till now, then you can leave a like and let me know in the comment section below if you have any question regarding fitness. While it's great to see people pushing themselves out of their comfort zone, there is a fine line between challenging yourself and overexerting yourself. Lifting weights that are too heavy for you is potentially dangerous. If extra weight affects your form and technique, you can severely injure yourself. And it's not a very sustainable way to build strength and muscles. If you want to maintain making progress and avoid injury, find weight that both challenge you and allows you to maintain decent form. This might seem a contradictory point to the previous one, but they both are common mistakes. The whole point of strength training is to lift a load that is challenging in order to create stress on the body. The body adapts this stress over time in the form of increased strength, bigger muscle, etc. Assuming form is acceptable, then it's important to progressively increase the weight to keep getting results. If you keep lifting the same weight week in and week out, your body won't change. Focusing on just getting through your set of reps rather than taking the time to make sure you're doing them properly won't help you to reach your fitness goals. The times in which your muscles are under tension is important. Make sure to perform exercise correctly and with control to ensure your muscles are being used as opposed to gravity doing the work. In turn, you'd be more likely to see greater result than rushing through reps. Studies shows that majority of muscle buildings come from completing reps that are controlled. So this is essential to success. If you are interested in getting facts and tips about fitness, then consider subscribing and make sure you click the bell icon so that you get notified first when we release a video.